Okay, so last time we were doing the Chord Chemistry book by Ted Green using Interval Matrix Pro, which is by me. That's on the Apple App Store and hopefully soon to be out on the Google Play. But it has every chord and every scale you could ever think of laid out in intervals. Intervals are the building blocks of music. And Ted Green's Chord Chemistry is one of the best books out there. And so now we did the majors and the minors and his essential chord synonyms, right? So we're only doing one page here. I mean, this one page can take you months to get down. So we're on page 14 in Chord Chemistry by Ted Green. Now this A/9, that's actually an Add9 chord, and you can see I have that right. Our intervals here, we have a 1, a 3, and a 5, which is a triad, but then we're going to add a 9 to it, and a 2 is the same thing as a 9. So in Interval Matrix Pro, when we select a 9, that 2 turns into a 9 right there. And there's many different ways we can do this. I love this chord right here. I've used it for many, many years. But we're going to follow Ted Green's things here. So we're only going to do the filled in. So we're playing this chord right here. So we're going to have, and a lot of this is like a game of chess. Now, the lowest fret is usually going to have to get my first finger. And then the highest string on the highest fret is going to have to get my pinky usually. And something like this where it's a 4-note chord. So I'm going to go ahead and use my first finger first, right? I'm going to place it, and then second finger here. So first finger here, second finger here, third finger here, and pinky right here. So the intervals we're using on this, we got our 1, a 3, a 5, and then a 9, which is also a 2. Jimi Hendrix used this chord a lot. It's a really pretty, really smooth chord. All right, let's go to the next one here. So I'm barring the 7th fret right here, so I can cover this 1 and this 9, okay? And then we're going to cover the 3 here, and then we have the 5 here on the 3rd string. So, and actually, it's a real nice sounding chord. We're going to go to the, that's going to be a perfect 5th. And then right here, my pinky. And then right there. Let's look at some of these patterns we can make here. We can make some beautiful melodic work with these. So, you know, I want you to just play along in these, and maybe we want to do groups of 5s, right? So we could go like groups of 5s. The way we count it is my lead twerks a lot. So my lead twerks a lot. My lead twerks a lot. My lead twerks a lot. But I want you to just kind of explore around. You see, I'm just playing around with these shapes right here. That's why I love this. I love Interval Matrix Pro. So we got... So have fun with it, guys. Just play along with it, you know, and just create beautiful music with it. That's the key right there. You know, be musical. That's the whole point of all this. So, you know, if we separate the notes in those chords, we're arpeggiating it, right? So, because arpeggio, literal translation is broken chord. So anyway, have fun with this. And guys, if you want a really in-depth way of learning the guitar and looking at a different approach, look up Skool, skool.com/Shawn Lane, because I was one of Shawn Lane's guitar students, and so was Sid Wolf, my partner on here. And that's kind of what Shawn was wanting to do. he was wanting to get the student playing something totally different every single day. And that way you have freedom, you have mental freedom. It takes about 3 years to build the really intense guitar techniques and stuff like that. But what we're working on right now is we're trying to open up new avenues, get different sounds, new sounds. You want to sound like yourself. Anyway, I've got it on sale right now. It's $29 per month. You can lock it in, or $300 per year. And it's Skool, SKOOL.com/Shawn Lane. And an Interval Matrix Pro, you got to get this, folks. It has every chord you could ever imagine, every scale and every key. And they're all color-coded, so the colors never change. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.